Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live, October 10th, 2023. Taco Tuesday, everybody. Hope everybody's enjoying their day out there. And wow, in some development news today, I got some feedback stating that the CEO of Unity is actually retiring immediately due to his lovely changes in their policies and terms and conditions. They have totally retracted back to what they were doing, and they are no longer allowing that lovely malware tracking code to go forward, and they're expecting his resignation immediately as of today. So the Unity developers out there are really paying attention to this, hopefully, and maybe Unity has redeemed themselves, and we will find out how well their leadership restructuring will help their organization survive the catastrophe that the now former CEO has created, and wondering how that's going to shake everything up in a sense. But I think the damage has already been done. I'm not too sure how many developers will go back to Unity after all of this. I think it will restore some faith in some. They will. My guess is it's going to be a 50-50. About half of them will go back because they're really familiar with that platform, and Unity could really go back to its roots on the development community that it had created originally and stick to its roots, because that's where the core structure is for Unity. So we will see how well they redeem themselves after this insanity that the other CEO had created for them and this lovely mess. What will they have to do to get all of their developers that they had lost due to such a restructuring back? We shall see. I wonder what you guys think. Reach out to me, DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. What would Unity take? What would it take for Unity to get the core development community back? I'm curious your thoughts. DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. Reach out to me. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow for another great episode of Dr. Nate Live. Every day, everybody, be safe out there. Taco Tuesday!